Hello there everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome. In today's class, we'll be learning about the C major scale. As the name itself suggests, the C major scale is nothing but a diatonic major scale, which we start off from the root note C. When I say the root note C, it's nothing but the first note out of the 7 musical notes which makes up this particular major scale. So let's dive straight into the topic and learn how do we play it with our right hand first and then our left hand, and how do we coordinate both our hands and play it. So diving straight in. When I say the C major scale, the 7 musical notes used are C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. Now, learning how do we play with our right hand, what we do is, we name all our fingers with numbers. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And for left hand, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now that we are going to learn the right hand, let's stick to only right hand. The finger pattern for the 7 musical notes which we will be playing will happen to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when we are ascending, and when we are descending back, we stick to the same finger number but in a descending order. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. I hope the right hand part was clear for you. Whenever we are playing the C major scale with our right hand, we always start from the C3, which is the C on the 3rd octave of my keyboard. Always remember. Diving straight in to the left hand now. For my left hand, I start with the 2nd octave C note. And what I do is, I use the finger numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. While getting down or descending back, what I use is 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the formula for left hand happens to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And for descending, it's 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, the formula for right hand happens to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And while descending back, it happens to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. I hope this thing was clear for you guys. Once you're done practicing your right hand and left hand individually, what you do is, you stick to coordination between both the hands. You start off from a really slow tempo. When I say a tempo, tempo is nothing but speed. So you start off from a tempo somewhere like this. Slowly and steadily increasing the speed, that is what I would suggest. Over here, you reach to a tempo which is like this. I hope this lesson was clear for you guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please like, share and subscribe.